Hey guys, happy Tuesday. So yesterday we worked on finding the volume of prisms. Today we're going to be working on finding the volume of pyramids. So it's slightly different, one extra step that we need to do, but very much the same concept. Okay, so a direct relation to yesterday. Make sure that you've got some scratch paper today, a pencil, and your calculator. All right. So today the formula that we're going to use is almost identical to yesterday. Yesterday we had just volume equals the area of the base face times the height. Today we're throwing in that 1/3 part of it. And you can also divide by 3 if you don't want to multiply by 1/3. All right, and then the reason for this being from that video that you just watched where you can have 3 pyramids filling up a prism as long as the base and the height are the same. So that means then that the pyramid is 1/3 of the size of the prism. Okay, the same thing works for cones and cylinders, and that's more of an 8th grade topic. With the circles involved, we're just going to stick to our triangles and rectangles and squares right now. Okay, and then again, because it's volume, we're still reporting in units cubed, or you can call it cubic units. Either way. Okay, so we're going to start out today with a rectangular pyramid, and again, I know that it's a rectangular pyramid because of my base shape, right? Hopefully I can draw a little bit better with my highlighter today than I did yesterday. But my base shape here is the rectangle, and it's important for me to know what my base shape is because again, remember that I'm going to be finding the area of that base shape first. Okay, so I'm going to do volume equals area of the base shape times the height. Okay, and then I'll just divide it by 3. All right. So that means my base face, being a rectangle, I'm going to do 13 times 6. And then multiplying it by the height of my pyramid, which is 14. And then I'll divide that by 3. And because everything is multiplication and division, I can do this in one fell swoop. Okay, so let me get my calculator up here. No, I had my calculator. All right, let me find my calculator really quick here. I thought I had it up. Sorry about that, folks. Okay. So in my calculator, I'm going to do 13 times 6, right, and then that gives me the area of the rectangle times the height of the pyramid. But because it's a pyramid, I then need to go through and divide it by 3. So that means that the volume of my pyramid is 364 cubic kilometers. Oh, not kilometers, sorry, centimeters. Okay. Here we go. We're going to do one more similar to this, and then you're going to try one on your own, or 2 of them on your own, actually. So this one I have a square pyramid. I know it's a square because the bottom, both the length and the width, are the exact same measurement with this 21 meters. Okay. So this time I want to use the fraction. Okay, so that 1/3. So I'm putting that in parentheses just so that you know that it's 1/3. Times the base face times the height. Okay, and when I say base face, I mean the area of that base face. Okay, so the area of the base face would be 21 times 21, right? And then the height of the pyramid being 29. And again, I can put all of this into my calculator in one fell swoop. Okay, so there's my 1/3 times 21 times 21 times 29. And it is a rather large number, but we're just using the information that we're given, so it's okay. So we had 4,263 meters, and then if you would rather do like that little exponent thing for meters cubed, you can, or you can say cubic meters, either one. All right, so that's the end of this video. There's a couple questions for you to try now. And then we're going to come back and talk about triangular pyramids. All right? Go for it.